Alright, figure it's about time to run my little Fleishmann 120-1 for the first time. It's a bit windy out here, so... There we go, fuel's lit. And again, no music on this one, just a little narration. Finally got the new whistle, thanks to Owen. And I actually had to wipe some dust off of this before I started to run it, sitting so long. Yeah, this thing is so tiny, I'm afraid of breaking the fittings when I put them on, especially this little whistle. Actually, the washer on the whistle was so thick, I couldn't get the whistle to stay on. So, it might leak a little around the whistle, and the filler plug goes in a bit crooked, actually. Well, I tested it on air, it seemed to work fine. It goes the other way. I'll come back for some steam. Alright, steam's up. Unfortunately, I overfilled it a little. So, let's see how she goes. Ow! Hot. Well, it's a nice little runner. See if we can toot the whistle. Ah. As I said, I overfilled it a little, so... Really quiet. Just gotta wipe up here. Tiny thing. Wondering if it can run any accessories. I think the fuel's dying already. I was gonna wait till getting some estimate to run it. I don't trust this cheap fuel stuff I got, but see how that works out. It's running it. Oh, wait, there's the whistle. Hopefully without any boiling water. Nope, boiling water. Definitely overfilled it. Slowing down already. But Owen's whistle came shipment of parts with another safety valve and its insert, and a safety valve insert for the Mammoth SC3. Yeah, slowing down already. Just a little half a tab of fuel stuck in there. Sorry if it's blurry. Wonderful little engine. Quiet too. See if the whistle will go. No. Still too much water. It's acting like D16's whistle. Spurts boiling water everywhere. Alright, well, it looks like that was the first run of the Fleishmann 120-1. Hope you liked it.